All right, folks, before we get started here, be under advisement. California mask mandates are now back in effect. You are not allowed to go into an establishment without your muzzle. Some people are wearing them outside. Looks like a pair of panties to me. Anyways, let's get started. Folks, this is going to be a little walk and talk. Hopefully it doesn't get too much more windier than it is. It's always windy right here. But this is the view. Here. That's the San Francisco airport. That's downtown San Francisco. So let's try and do this little walk. Hopefully on playback the wind isn't too bad, and if it is, I'll just have to do a voiceover. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around. Let's go. All right, so I wanna talk about 3 subjects. Try and make this as quick as possible because I know it's gonna be windy. All right, first one is this is current events in the news that's happening here in the United States. Darn it, it's windy. So, woke up this morning with breaking news that in the state of New York, in order for you to go sit inside of a restaurant and eat, and in order for you to be able to go to a gym, you now have to have at least your first vaccination shot. Otherwise, you're ordering takeout. And what they're doing, you guys already know this. Say it, in case you don't. They're easing us into this thing. And eventually, in the very near future, now New York's the first state to do this. As of this morning. And then they're gonna, as of September is when they're gonna start really cracking down and doing inspections and all that crap. They're easing us into it. You're gonna be forced to take that vaccine, okay? I took it. I already explained why. So, that's that. You're going to be forced to have a vaccination if you're going to, pretty soon it's going to be grocery stores. You're not going to be able to go inside of a grocery store. I can almost guarantee it. In the near future, that's just how it's going to be. So, anyways, on to the next one. Kind of good news in my opinion. Chris Cuomo, CNN's very own Chris Cuomo, his big brother, the governor of New York, more news from New York, hasn't been found guilty. But the Attorney General did an investigation and talked with, I think it was 174 different people, thousands of pages of reading, whatever, found that he hasn't been found guilty. But the Attorney General says that he is guilty of sexual harassment. Not one, but many people. What's going to end up happening with that? It ain't going to court. He probably isn't going to resign. Nothing's going to happen from it. He still looks like a turd. Just like his little brother, Chris, who pushes vaccinations and quarantine and all that. And Chris Cuomo got caught when he was supposed to be in quarantine because he had the Wu-Tang virus. He was supposed to be in his basement quarantined from his family. No, he got caught. We all know this. He was out with his wife looking at a little property being built. And someone called him out on his shit. We also called him out on that same subject, the other night on CNN. Somebody that was on his, the dum-dum decided he thought he wasn't going to say nothing to him about it. Yeah, so that happened. Andrew Cuomo, not in the court of law, but he is guilty of sexual harassment of many people on the job and off the job. I'm saving the most important one here for last. I'm just going to stand and talk about this one real quick because this wind is actually there. I'm still going to publish the video. All right. The insurrection, January 6th. Not one Capitol police officer, but 4 Capitol police officers. 4. This many. Have committed suicide? Never heard of before. Never heard of before. I'm calling shenanigans on that one. You know, 4 police officers, Capitol police officers, are dead now from suicide? Come on, man. I think they were suicided, or maybe perhaps they murdered themselves for reasons I don't know. How many police officers over the past year, going on year and a half now, from all these riots and destruction that have been going on, you know, Seattle, Washington, Portland, Oregon, other states, all these people killed, all these people injured, all this property damaged. How many cops have killed themselves because of that? That many. Things are getting real weird around here. They're getting real weird. 4 Capitol police officers commit suicide. Anyways, I don't want to make this another 12-minute video. Sorry about the wind. You were warned. Thanks again to all my 55 subscribers. It makes me feel good. It makes Karina feel good about it too. Trying to get some more content as it comes. We're going to figure out something fun to do this weekend. And maybe we'll do the aquarium. Who knows? So I think I've said about enough here. So everyone out there, enjoy the rest of this beautiful day or night, wherever you're at. And until next time.